Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dee, and today I have the most adorable card. Isn't this adorable? I saw this idea somewhere online. I do not remember where it was, and I've had the idea saved for a while. I took a screenshot of it so I could come back and make something similar. It's a little different, but the little sentiment, "You're the cat's meow," I will show you where I got that. Isn't it just so cute? For the cat lover in your life or animal lover, I think this is a great card to make. So let me show you how to do it. I'll set this aside. And here we have our card base. And if you can see here, I'll bring these all into shot here. I cut out strips, actually card scraps that I already had that were in strips. And if I needed to adjust the size, I did that. And basically took scissors. I'll show you on the other end. I won't actually do it, but to make, actually I think I will. We'll just cut that part off. So to make the cat ears, cut in the middle, cut on either side, and there you go. And I took some fine line markers and drew the eyes on there. Anyway, we'll cut this part off because we don't want a cat on the other side. Okay. Now, I have a variety of colors and, kind of realistic colors for cats, kind of, not exactly, but, kind of. So what I think I'll do, since I've got 3 black ones, I think what I did before was I started in the middle. And so I'll take my trusty glue and we'll just start gluing in the middle. And we've got different heights. Now this guy's a little crooked, so I gotta get him straightened up. Okay. I think I'll do this color next. Kind of a yellowish cat. I don't know if I've mentioned this on any of my videos, but we have a lot of barn cats. We have one pet cat named Tic Tac. Some of you may have seen videos that I've posted about him here on my channel. And then we have lots of barn cats. And they tend to be white or orange. We have a couple like torty color ones that actually were born this year. And so anyway, we have lots of cats. And let's see, I think I'll do this one. But this was so fun to make. I have 2 kids in particular who are cat lovers. And then one daughter who likes, of course, they all like animals, but 2 of my kids, my 2 younger kids, are especially fond of cats. And our oldest, Justine, is fond of all animals. So here we go. Another one. And we have even some tiger stripe ones. This was just really thin pattern paper that's layering weight. I mean, really layering weight. I think I'll put him here. Because, we have all sizes of cats of different ages, and I even have a white one. You know what? I think I'll use this one. A shorter one, so I don't have to cut off anything for there. We'll put this little guy here. Still want him to see. And let's see, what else do we have? Oh, this cute little one. this little guy here. We're just layering, making a nice little group of cats. Does anybody know what a group of cats is called? I'm asking because I do not know if there's even a word for it, you know, like a flock of birds or flock of chickens, herd of cattle. Just curious. Okay, I think I want another one of this little guy, and we'll make him a little smaller. Maybe I'll just go ahead and cut him off as straight as I can and glue him on there. And like I said, these are just scraps, and you know, if you've been watching me, you know I love to use up, well, I've never used up anything of scraps, but I need to work, I like to work on using up scraps. I don't know if I'll ever arrive, but, you know, maybe someday. Okay, let's see. How about this little guy here? He'll kind of cover up the rest of the card base. And get it a little, there we go. Just want to get it centered just right. Oh, isn't that adorable? I love that so much. Now, I have a die set here, die set and stamp set that I've had for a while. And I've used it more for like kids, but this is so cute, like for birthday cards and such. This is by Lawn Fawn, and let's see, is there a name for it? I don't know. Anyway, it has, oh, here's what it is. Say what? Pets. Now, I have no idea if they're still producing this. So if you don't have something this exact set, then you could use something similar, or you could write out. You could have other kind of animal stamps and write out some cute little saying. Now, let me just tell you, I'm using You're the Cat's Meow for this one, but another one that would be cute would be Meow, or have a possum birthday, or to a possum friend. And I've not ever used the bird. If you can see, get this up here, if you can see, it has not been stained with ink. So I've not used it, but you know, someday I will. So anyway, this is from Lawn Fawn, like I said, and it has these dies that will cut out the animals. And let's see, where is it? Oh, let me get it here. They also have a speech bubble. Okay, and so that's how I got that. So I have that cut out already, and that's where this is. So I will put this aside for now, and we will get started on our stamping of our little You're the Cat's Meow. Let me get my scratch paper, because I don't want to, and I've got this Ultra New Crisp Ink Permanent Black. Works very well. We'll stamp that, and I'm not going to use the Misty. I hope I don't regret that, because if I do, I'll have to start over with a new speech bubble. Oh, let's get it right side up, shall we? You're the Cat's Meow. Just gentle. Remember, with sentiment stamps, you want to be careful you don't push too hard, or it can blow out the text. Oh, very good. Very good. Okay. Now, what I think I will also do is, because this is going on white, and I thought I would just take, this is a very old ink pad, one of the like earliest stamp pads I ever bought, and it still has ink in it. I cannot believe it. Now, it's not like a full-fledged ink, but it will work for something like this, where I want to kind of create a little bit of a border around something. it will work for that. I got to be careful I don't get ink all over my fingers to ruin my speech bubble. Okay, now on this very little edge, I think I'll just get way... Here we go. All right. Now, I, of course, have my little scraps because I want to prop this up with a little something, and you know I love using my scraps. So we are going to glue these card scraps onto the back of the speech bubble and prop it up. You can also use foam tape. And I've said over and over, nothing wrong with that. It's easy peasy. So let's go ahead and apply this to the card. Okay. You know what? I'm going to get this out of the way because I don't want to get any stray ink on there. I think it's dry enough. I can go ahead and apply it. Let's see. I think I'll put it in kind of the same direction. Now, this particular saying, "You're the cat's meow," could go for birthday cards. You could add a birthday greeting on the inside. It could be a thank you card. I'm just going to leave mine like this, and we will, cross that bridge when we come to it. Whatever I think I may use it for, then I'll add the correct sentiment on the inside. So whether it be birthday or thank you or whatever. Or just maybe I appreciate you card. Okay? One last thing we need to do. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp it with the Altenew ink because it's handy. Whoops. My handcrafted with love stamp. And we'll see how this goes. Oh, very good. Okay. That's the difference between using an old ink pad that I only use for stamping the handcrafted with love by and using a better quality, newer ink pad. Okay. Well, guys, what do you think? Isn't this just, oh, I just love it. It's so adorable. Now, if you want to, okay, sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. I keep forgetting to say in my videos, besides, the like, comment, subscribe, share, which I would like you to do if you would. I need to tell you that I put out these videos that I make every Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Central Time. So that's kind of become my go-to time. And so you can find me there, and then you'll kind of know when to expect a video from me. My views have really tanked, I'll be honest, and I'm not trying to make this about the views, so don't misunderstand me. But if it gets down to nobody watching, then there's no point in me doing these videos. I'm doing this for fun. Absolutely for fun, and because I want to engage with people who appreciate card making and who enjoy card making themselves, doing it themselves. So anyway, I just want to let you know that, and I will try to put a note in my description box about that. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you again. Take care. Bye.